2.1. You get out what you put in. So there are no overnight successes with Twitter. What it requires to be successful on Twitter is persistence and consistency. And to be most efficient, it requires the knowledge that I'm about to teach you in this course. So simply don't expect amazing results unless you are actually putting in the work for these results. So it's not as easy as some people make it out to be, but why is this good? This is good for two reasons. A, because if it was easy, everybody would be successful on Twitter and you would not be able to stand out from the crowd. And B, it does not take hours of work. It takes 10 minutes of work a day. It's not about working really hard, but it's about being consistent and persistent with your Twitter account, ensuring that every day you put in this 10 minutes.